2026. Meteorologist Michael Fish.
Hey, we appreciate you being with us tonight. Things relatively quiet. There are a couple stray sprinkles out there, a stray shower, but again, most of the satellite and radar map is quiet. Now, one thing we have to watch as the night goes on here is the temperatures drop just a couple of degrees. With this tropical weather, could see some patchy fog. I'll get to that in a little bit. Speaking of the tropics, you got Cuba here, and just to its east, a tropical disturbance. And the thing is, we're going to have to track it up the coastline. Here's kind of that cone of uncertainty as we go into next week. Some models have it offshore, some have it a little bit closer to Florida. So we'll be watching that as, again, we go through this upcoming week. Now let's talk temperatures. Averages, 77, that's our average high. A lot of us didn't make it there today, but some did. What's on the way for tomorrow? Look to the south. We have plenty of 80s. No, don't look that far south. It's not going to make it into the hundreds, but it still is going to be warm. Now, as far as our temperatures right now, it's 71 in Green Bay, 73 in Fond du Lac. It was a little bit cooler by the lake today, so that's where it's a little bit cooler right now. 69 Sheboygan and Manitowoc. Again, if those temperatures drop just a degree or two more, they're going to meet the dew point. With the light winds, that means more fog for us. But I'm not talking about just a widespread dense fog event. We're not seeing much of it right now, but still, as the night goes on, could see a little bit of that develop. Now, satellite and radar, quiet. We've got a low pressure here, and way out in the mountains where it was like 50 and 60 degrees today, in the higher elevations, it snowed. And really, I haven't seen snow on the satellite and radar map in months. So I just saw that. I'm like, was that pink? Yes, it snowed in the mountains today. It shows you that things are starting to change. But don't worry, that's going to take some time before it gets here. No, not with snow. But out ahead of it, it is going to be warm and it's going to be muggy. Looks like tomorrow is going to be a dry day. That's rain-wise. As far as humidity, that's going to be up there. Now, as far as going through the afternoon and evening hours, a frontal boundary is going to be off to our north and west. So that's our best chance of showers and storms. Most of us going to stay quiet tomorrow. Now, as far as the rest of our night, again, most of us quiet, patchy fog, but still can't rule out a stray pop-up shower because there's enough humidity and just a little instability in the air. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, most of our day quiet. There's that front getting a little bit closer. So again, to the west, northwest, could see a shower or thunderstorm, but most of our night quiet. But that gets closer late Sunday night. And as it gets closer, we have to increase the chance of storms late Sunday night into Monday, especially as that front gets closer, but it's a real slow mover. This low pressure going to start to roll our way as well, bring us even better chances of storms. But tonight, if you see anything, it would be very isolated. Most of us going to stay completely quiet. Areas of fog as well in spots. For your Sunday, it's going to be a warm, humid day. If you want some relief, go next to Lake Michigan. It will be cooler there. 83 in Green Bay, probably a little bit warmer to the south and to the west. For your Sunday night, fog possible again. Could see a stray storm late in 68. And Monday, a chance of scattered storms. Oh yeah, it's going to be a warm, humid day. 87 degrees. South-southeasterly wind means even by Lake Michigan, you still might be pretty warm. Now, Tuesday and Wednesday, better chance.